Hello from Lloyd BMW Cologne, we hope you're well and we are really excited to present to you this striking M2 competition coupe, finished in hypnotic Long Beach blue featuring contrasting black Dakota perforated leather upholstery with blue coordinating highlights. New in November of 2018, this BMW has great specification which includes DCT transmission and is in superb condition, having covered just 19,192 miles. Here at Lloyd BMW Cologne, all of our approved used cars undergo meticulous preparation and come with full service history and minimum 12 months warranty, roadside cover and MOT. Options on this brilliant M2 include Bluetooth and cruise control, navigation and both front and rear parking sensors. As well as stunning leather seats, this coupe also has BMW LED headlights to make driving through all times and seasons safer and more comfortable. Daring and dynamic, this bold blue M2 draws the eye and captures the imagination, with undeniable style seeping out of every well-crafted detail. Interested in this stunning M2? Please get in touch with our unbeatable sales team here at Lloyd BMW Cologne. Thank you and we hope to hear from you soon.